welcome all. Welcome back to Model Rocks 321. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the thumb up button, drop a comment, check the links below. Support the channel any way you can. There's a Cash App there. I have my website. You can go there, check out some stuff. Support, support, support. Also, shop estisrockets.com. Drop the discount code in there. It's IN_321. Put that in after checkout and watch the magic happen. So go on over there and do that. And today's rocket of the day, excuse me. Today's rocket of the day is the Starship Vega. This is a classic Estes rocket. This is actually a restore job. I did some of the burns and things on it like that from going through asteroid fields and all that kind of stuff. So this is the total restore. I got some decals from Tango Papa before he got switched over to that other company. Restored it all up. I upgraded the lander, the feet on there. I did something a little different on them. I had a break right here. Landed hard on a launch back when I was flying in the desert, and had a break. I got it all fixed up, got it epoxied on there. But this is a great flying rocket. One of the classic Estes kits from way back in the day. Very exotic look to it. Got this foil decals. Very cool design. And Tango could do those foil. That was a pretty nice touch. But I just gave things a little more scarred up look. I didn't want it to be like a perfect brand new rocket. So I went in, I did a lot of chipping and things like that on it, just to give it its own look. You can see you got United States right there. It says Starship Vega right there, or actually it says Starship 3 right there, and you got the Vega logo right there. So yeah, just a lot of fun. This is a cool rocket. Got the landing legs, and I think I actually stuck the landing at least one time, if I'm not mistaken. I think I stuck the landing one time on this, or it landed back just like that. So got the parachute inside there. Very cool rocket. Very cool rocket. I gotta give this some more flight time. But yeah, so there you have it. Starship Vega. Like I said, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for checking it out and supporting this. And we will be back with more. It's Model Rocks 321.